Hi, it's Johnny again at Balloons Delivered Las Vegas. I want to talk to you a little bit about hotel bell desk delivery. Basically, most of our balloons will be delivered to a bell desk on the Las Vegas Strip. Sometimes it's a concierge, but usually it's the bell desk, or what they call it now, guest services. When I go up to the guest services, they know me, I know them, and they treat us very well, and we're happy to have a great relationship with them. Once we get there, they're going to ask for your name. I'm going to give the name. Now, the name I give them has to be the name on the room, not the name of the person getting the balloons. In other words, if it's the bridal party and the bride's name is Jan, well, Margaret has the room. I need Margaret's name, the person who's on the room. These hotels have 3,000, 4,000 rooms in them, and these folks won't take balloons that they don't know that they can find the room. They just won't take them. So, that's important, and we need you to make sure you do that every time you place an order with us. We thank you for that. Now, after that, we'll give the bell captain a tip, and we'll give the bellman a tip. And this is to ensure that the balloons get upstairs promptly and nicely and easily and fun, whatever you want to call it. But we take care of the bell desk for you. It's all done on your behalf. Now, after that, the balloons will come to your room, and they might be in the bag, might be out of the bag if they're in the bag. And we showed you on other videos how to take them out and make it beautiful. Either way, they'll take good care of you. The hotels on the Las Vegas Strip, we're happy to be partners with them. Thank you for watching. It's Johnny, Balloons Delivered Las Vegas.